Hello, everyone. This is James Kobielus. I'm IBM's Big Data Evangelist presenting to you here from the States. It's a pleasure to be speaking with you today. I will present in the next 15 minutes an overview of IBM's Big Data vision, our architecture, our platform, the flexibility options we allow, the applications that we support with big data in our solution portfolio, as well as solution accelerators, and a sketch of the overall partner ecosystem that we serve, and a quick look ahead on our roadmap for evolution of our big data capability. So with no further ado, here's the standard disclaimer. Any information regarding future products is intended to outline our general direction and should not be relied on in making a purchasing decision. So all the usual legalities, I'll move beyond that. Our vision for big data. IBM's vision is that really big data analytics, and specifically our platform, has been engineered to provide a service-oriented architecture, an SOA for all data. And what that means, service-oriented architecture, fundamentally, is that we provide at IBM a platform that enables you to develop services that leverage big data, leverage advanced analytics, and so forth. Services that can be flexibly and modularly reused and repurposed and recomposed into new applications. A wide range of applications serving myriad business requirements. So fundamentally, in terms of SOA, service-oriented, really cloud deployment of big data, you need to look at our big data vision in roughly this format that I've laid out. We enable you to connect into any and all data sources, ranging from standard structural relational data to unstructured text, time series, geospatial, the new world of social media intelligence, like from Facebook and Twitter and the like, even streaming, even and especially streaming video, image, and other new sources, to bring them in, to ingest them into our big data platform, to do real-time analytics using stream computing, or to do analysis and pre-processing on data at rest in our Hadoop platform, to do extract, transform, load, and cleansing, and so forth, to bring that data, to do analytics against it, and to deliver the data itself in raw or in processed form, and also to deliver the results of jobs you run against that data, deliver it downstream to various other specialized big data platforms, whether it be a data warehousing platform, whether it be an in-memory columnar query acceleration platform. We really provide you with the flexibility to architect your big data environment in any way that best suits the business applications that you're trying to drive. And we support the full range of advanced analytics applications, ranging from cognitive computing with machine learning to prescriptive and predictive analytics, as well as traditional business intelligence based on descriptive historical information, and of course deep exploration and discovery of patterns and correlations within the data using data science, exploration, regression modeling tools, and the like. And of course at IBM we provide a broad range of analytic applications. Of course you've heard of Watson, and of course you know we have our Cognos and SPSS and other portfolios of analytic applications that are not only IBM applications, but we support a wide, huge range of ISVs and partners applications, and really the best of breed big data analytics platform on the market, the entire IBM Big Data vision. So our architecture, really fundamentally for big data analytics, the IBM architecture is based on openness and really enabling a hybrid ecosystem of fit-to-purpose data and analytic platforms for diverse purposes. Data warehousing, Hadoop, stream computing. We support partners' NoSQL databases. We have an in-memory columnar capability in IBM Blue Acceleration. We have a broad range of components that we offer and that our partners offer that work together in a common architecture with this broad architectural pattern that really this helps to call out the sort of the unifying threads throughout our platform. There's an acquisition fabric, if you look on the left side, which is able to discover and acquire and ingest and do processing and correlation of data from diverse sources. As I said, push it downstream, the results of that processing to other fit-to-purpose platforms, and from which those fit-to-purpose platforms downstream, like your data warehouse or your data mart, your old app cubes and so forth, from which the access fabric enables you, your downstream the BI, predictive analytics, and other applications, to query and access that data and run jobs in a unified, simple, and seamless way. And of course, what I'm describing here at the highest level brings our entire big data platform into the picture, as well as brings the entire IBM data integration, data quality, governance, master data management portfolio, and the whole InfoSphere portfolio. To really look at the big data architecture, then, it's both the big data platform plus in the InfoSphere portfolio plus, of course, our WebSphere and other tools that enable you to support a wide range of analytic and data-centric applications. So because we have such a broad portfolio of best-of-breed solutions, we give you flexibility to orchestrate complex processing flows ranging from real-time analytics to historical, more descriptive analytics that are maybe batch-oriented. As I said, we've got a number of important product portfolios that are key in this overall big data picture for flexibility. InfoSphere Big Insights, which is our Hadoop platform. We've got InfoSphere Streams, our best-of-breed stream computing offering for low latency end-to-end middleware. We provide, of course, InfoSphere Information Server portfolio of solutions, including, of course, Data Stage and Quality Stage and many other offerings that enable you to do robust integration and that work seamlessly with our big data platform. And, of course, we have the IBM Pure Data System for Analytics, which is our leading data warehousing and data science and advanced analytics platform for single version of truth, for sandboxing for data science projects, and the like. And we provide integration from a diverse range of IBM and partner offerings using open interfaces and standards, SOA and REST and MapReduce and the like. Of course, we have a common SQL middleware offering to enable you to use SQL to query data both in your data warehouse, whether it be an IBM or a non-IBM data warehouse behind the scenes is a secondary issue, because we do support standard SQL access both to our data warehousing and also to our Hadoop platform to really enable a degree of consolidation and simplification and virtualization that's unparalleled in the industry. So the big data platform, it's really a comprehensive stack, and here's just the high-level schematic that we provide to sketch out the main points. We'll start from the bottom. We have best-of-breed information, integration, and governance through the InfoSphere portfolio. We offer Hadoop in the form of InfoSphere Big Insights, as well as the new IBM Pure Data System for Hadoop that incorporates and accelerates Big Insights on an appliance hardware platform. InfoSphere Streams, which has been in the market for many years and has many customers, and it really is the leading offering in that stream computing market, which some know as complex event processing, and that's clearly critical for real-time speed of thought business. And of course, the IBM Pure Data System for Analytics, which is our product that takes the nucleus of the Netezza technology that we acquired several years ago and has evolved it to becoming really, in many ways, the most robust and powerful and flexible data warehousing, advanced analytics, and in-database analytics product on the market. We offer a broad range of solution accelerators for different vertical industry requirements, for different specific, focused business functional requirements like social media analytics and machine data analytics. And these offerings work out of the box with our Hadoop platform, with our stream computing platform, with our data warehousing platform, and a broad range of visualization and discovery tools, leveraging in one instance our Vivissimo acquisition from about a year and a half ago, as well as application development and systems management tools that are integrated into all of our big data platforms within the portfolio. And we have the industry's leading analytic application portfolio with of course, the technologies that we acquired with Cognos, with SPSS, and many others. So the whole really is greater than the sum of its parts, and that, in many ways, is core to the IBM value proposition in terms of our big data platform. So in terms of driving our development of IBM's big data platform going forward in terms of the applications and accelerators that we provide, we've focused on 5 key customer use cases that drive a great many, really the majority, of big data deployments with our customers. Big data exploration. It's all about finding, visualizing, and understanding all the big data you need to improve your decision making. And really, when you look at what's called data science, really statistical modeling, predictive analytics, text analytics, and the like, that's done in platforms such as Hadoop. It's big data exploration. It's having the data at rest. Quite often, you're having data at rest within a sandbox that might be a distributed Hadoop cluster running InfoSphere Big Insights. And you have a team of one or more data scientists that are using state-of-the-art visualization and statistical modeling, regression analysis, decision trees, and the like, to look for non-obvious patterns in the data that might be related to customer sentiment, that might be related to degrees of customer influence, that might be driving your offer targeting applications, and so forth. Big data exploration is absolutely critical to unlocking business opportunities within your big data set. Enhance 360-degree view of the customer. If you've been doing data warehousing for years, you're quite familiar with 360-degree view of the customer. Traditionally, it's been based on, you built it on structured data that you might be sourcing from your ERP, CRM systems, and other sources. But now, you're able to incorporate, and really you need to incorporate a lot of new sources such as of customer intelligence, such as social media intelligence that you might be acquiring through using a tool like IBM Cognos Consumer Insight based on what people are saying on Twitter and Facebook and the like about your company, your products, your marketing campaign, and the like. Incorporating all of that intelligence as much as makes sense into the 360-degree view so you can get a strong sense for not just what the customer has bought from you, but how they feel about you now in terms of what they're saying to the world. That's very valuable business intelligence that many CMOs, chief marketing officers, are absolutely spending significant amounts of money to acquire, and they need the tooling to do that, and we provide it. Security intelligence extension, that's really all about security incident and event management, and a lot of that's anti-fraud and anti-terrorism applications, huge driver of a lot of investments in big data analytics platforms. And we have a wide range of products that support exactly that. Operations analysis, that's also really heavy-hitting log analysis to do troubleshooting and diagnostics in your network, in your systems, and the like. And increasingly what we're seeing with a lot of customers is they're using Hadoop clusters as big event logs for system data that's driving these behind-the-scenes activities, and that really help you to keep your infrastructure up and running. So that's mission-critical applications that you don't often hear about as being sexy, but they're absolutely essential. And, of course, data warehouse augmentation. A lot of what we see in terms of deployments of for example, IBM Pure Data System for Analytics for data warehousing is that more customers are coming to us and saying they need a staging area that can handle unstructured data and do pre-processing on it before loading the transformed data downstream into Pure Data System. That's why one of the reasons why we provide IBM Pure Data System for Hadoop. So data warehouse augmentation, really an unstructured staging area, huge application area for big data and the new generation of big data. Earlier on, I alluded to IBM's Big Data Solution Accelerators. They essentially provide, and they plug in to our big data platforms, they provide additional layers of prepackaged models, algorithm libraries, and other artifacts to drive specific, to deliver value on specific applications that might be vertical specific, like in telecommunications with call detail record streaming analytics, or they might be sort of across the board. Many industries use them, like social media analytics, looking for sentiment, intent to purchase, and the like. We provide in our portfolio of accelerators over 100 sample applications. We provide user-defined toolkits for developers to customize these accelerators to the needs of their specific project. We provide a broad range of toolkits, and we provide industry data models for all of these areas, all of the vertical specific applications that we offer accelerators for. So the IBM Big Data ecosystem is partner-friendly, open, and extensible. Well, of course, we, IBM, offer solutions in many, if not most of these categories, but we are definitely not a closed architecture. We definitely involve and invite and work closely with our partners to provide offerings in all of these areas and more. We very much are geared on all levels to making sure that partners have open interfaces to develop to, that we go to market with many partners in terms of joint marketing and other channel activities. So this is not an exhaustive list, by the way, of the partners and the IBM products, each of these categories, but it gives you a very strong sense for our commitment to working with partners to make sure that it's not just an IBM big data platform, but really an IBM partner ecosystem platform. That really, our platform is a development platform for partners to build the value add to address the specific requirements of a specific industry, a specific country, a specific region, or maybe the specific requirements of, say, a compliance mandate in some region that may be so specialized that we, IBM, ourselves would never build it, but we would rely on the partners who have that deep expertise to build it and deliver it, the value to their customer. So really look at the roadmap going forward for development of our big data platform and all of our capabilities. Here's a few design principles. I'm not really going to go deep on them, but these are fundamental in terms of driving where we're going with this platform. We're moving towards more cloud-first design. We, of course, provide, and have long provided, licensed software. We provide appliances, also known as integrated expert systems, to deliver these solutions. Increasingly, we're getting into providing cloud-based applications, or solutions, I should say, services, to address all these requirements. And it's not just IBM's clouds, but our partners' clouds as well. So we're making sure that as we go forward, all of our solutions will be built and optimized for cloud-first or cloud-centric deployment, because we recognize that cloud deployments are critically important as a procurement option for many industries, for many regions, for small to mid-market businesses. We want to make sure that IBM remains at the very forefront of cloud enabling our customers when they want to go there. Whether it be a public cloud or a private cloud or a hybrid, whatnot, we want to make sure we have the architectural capabilities to deploy into all of those diverse approaches. Intelligent data provisioning across the ecosystem. We're very much focused on making sure that no matter where the data happens to be deployed, in a private cloud or in a public cloud or in some hybrid cloud, that we provide the tooling to automatically and intelligently provision the data to the optimal storage devices, and also to automatically provision and execute jobs on the optimal compute nodes anywhere within a cloud ecosystem. Seamless access to all data in place for applications. Well, that's one of the reasons why we've developed Common SQL as a common SQL virtualization layer for queries to execute across Hadoop and your data warehouse, pure data system, or any other platform, whether it be IBM's or our partners. that supports storage and management of data within a cloud environment. Application portability across all these diverse platforms. Interestingly enough, MapReduce, which is one of the core standards within Hadoop, is supported as an execution layer in all three of our core big data platforms that I laid out in that slide. It's executed MapReduce can be in Pure Data System for analytics. It can be executed in IBM InfoSphere Streams. It can be executed in IBM InfoSphere Big Insight. So you can port your MapReduce models, applications, to any or all of these platforms, and we intend to expand that degree of portability going forward. Dynamic all data governance. Really going forward, what we want to make sure is that as you move more into incorporating unstructured data into your big data capability, that you can implement the same strong governance controls, version controls, access controls, controls over changes to schemas, and so forth on those new sources as you can on your traditional structured sources. So that's really a principle that's guiding much of our development of the platform going forward. Of course, we want to make sure as you move more into big data with these new sources that you're not sacrificing security or intelligent lifecycle management. And really fundamentally, we want to make sure that as you move down the road to more complex big data environments that you can support any number of hybrid deployment models with different types of underlying databases that are geared for structured, for unstructured, for semi-structured, for XML, for semantic web like RDF triples and so forth. That fundamentally, if you go to a NoSQL database, we want to make sure that, like MongoDB, that you can run that inside of our big data platform or in conjunction with our platform in a way that's seamless, integrates out of the box seamlessly with all the other fit-to-purpose databases. And of course, in memory, hugely important for speed, and it's really coming on strong. We, of course, have Blue acceleration in DB2 10.5, and we intend to continue to expand the role and the integration of Blue technology into our broader offerings. And of course, to increase the footprint for solid state storage across our portfolio. We've made strategic acquisitions in all of these areas recently, including in cloud, and we have exciting things in the future to announce to you. If you happen to be within the next few weeks coming to the U.S., we are holding a conference in the first week of November in Las Vegas, our annual IBM Information on Demand conference, and we'd love to meet with you there. And we have, of course, some important announcements coming up. And, of course, we've announced a number of important things recently that have a strong bearing on our big data capabilities going forward. As I've indicated, we recently began to ship IBM Pure Data System for Hadoop, and we would love to demonstrate it and our other products, new and existing, to you when you come. So at IOD, we're not just big data. IBM fundamentally, if you look at where we are going, where our customers are going with all this technology, big data is really the pivot point for the integration of your cloud strategy, your social media strategy, say for downstream marketing analytics, your mobile strategy, and of course Internet of Things, often known as machine to machine. These are all fundamentally important investments by our customers. So in many ways, IBM, as we go forward with our big data analytics roadmap, we're making sure that big data is a key pivot point for the convergence of all these disparate technologies. All of these are critically important in our customers' competitiveness, no matter what industry you're in, no matter what country you're in. You're probably doing mobile. Everybody has a mobile, and you want to engage with your customers on mobile. You want to engage with them through socials, and you want the agility and the cost effectiveness that cloud-based deployment of application functionality enables you. And Internet of Things is being embedded in every human artifact, whether it be on the factory floor, whether it be in our smartphones. Really, everything that walks or moves or doesn't move will incorporate before long sensors and be connected over wireless transports for continuous monitoring of things like energy readings for more of a green, sustainable, smarter planet. And with that, I want to encourage you to think big and feel free to contact me or anyone here. But I'll be happy to speak with you or engage with you at the contact, especially my email address listed below. And you can find me on Twitter and all the other socials, because as IBM's Big Data Evangelist, I am constantly in communication with the world and telling the world about what we offer through this and many other channels. And I want to thank you very much and have a good conference.